Hey, I have a small annoying thing going on with my computer, and I don't actually have like a fixed solution, but I have a really good workaround that I want to show. So, switch the camera around and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Here is my battle station. I'm pretty proud of it. I was trying to do just a really good value build, and I've swapped in and out parts throughout time. 2080 Super in it, and Ryzen 5 3600 is the main chip. But if you look at this fan in the back, it's an ARGB fan, and it's synced up with the ARGB in the case. Let's see if I can get this to focus so you can see. If you look at it, it seems like it's wobbling. Can you tell how it looks like it's moving all around? Well, the truth is it's not moving all around. But what happened was they put a sticker on this thing, and when they put it on, it was off-center. So when I sit here and look at my battle station, and I want to be so pleased at how peaceful and awesome and powerful it looks, I'm distracted by this little wobbliness. So I'm going to take it apart and show you my workaround. Alright, so I've got the computer turned off, and if you look in here close, here's the fan. It came with, not this case, but a very similar case from Metallic Gear. So if this sticker were perfectly centered, then when it spins, it would look like it was holding still. But since it's not centered, it wobbles. And I don't actually know a great way to perfectly center this, but what I have learned is that with just a little bit of effort, I can take this label sticker completely the way off. Oh, that's nice, and it came off pretty clean. It didn't even leave any residue behind. And so I should be able to just turn it on, and you'll see that everything will look solid and steady and stable instead of look like it's wobbling around at all. Okay, so now, I mean, from this far away, it never really looked much like a problem anyway, but now I can even come in close. And actually, in person, you notice this stuff a lot more. Come in close, and, you know, it has sort of an effect from the lights, look like they're shimmering on the blades, but that's, in real life, you don't see that. That's just an effect from the camera. But the hub of the fan is clear that it's holding still now, nice and steady. And I get to see my computer looking how I like it to look.